How to link Facebook to Gmail account. In order to do that, first of all, you need to make sure that you have updated version of Facebook application. Once you check that, the very next step you need to do is simply launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, tap on the menu which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, if you scroll down there, you'll see settings and privacy. Go through it and tap on settings. Now tap on your account center. From here, go through personal details and tap on contact info. From here, you can tap on add new contact to link another Gmail account to your Facebook account. In this way, you can easily link Facebook to Gmail account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.